So all of these pussycats are at Ras al Khaimah Animal Welfare Centre. And do they know that there's a load more doggies coming?
Hello, how do you feel about the pool party? Not a lot, okay. Oh, have you got something to say? Have you? Are you ready for the pool party? Are you? Are you? Yes?
So hi guys, hope you can hear me with all the noise. We are now in the preparation stages at the RAC Animal Welfare Centre pool party. And we're here, we've got a few freebie goodies to give away. And also we're doing the agility just for fun area, so do come and visit us. There's a lot of stands here if I swing round, and there's a lot going on here. Pretty impressed. It's going to be great fun, and let me just show you what your dog is in for when they come. Hopefully they're a water baby. Here we go, lots of prep going on. Hello John!
Hello.
Hey! And this is the agility area that we're running, and this is the pool for the pool party. And check out, if we can do it, all of that lot down the end there. Wow, these dogs are going to have so much fun. So do come and see us, come and say hello. None of it is serious, it's all just for fun, and it's obviously raising awareness to all of the dogs that are at the rescue centre and the cats and a whole menagerie of other animals who are needing rehoming, supporting, fundraising and all the other stuff that goes along with running a rescue centre. So hope to see you soon. This is something that your dog can enjoy from the Homely Pets agility area, which is just for fun. And if your dog loves a little bit of a paddle, then have a look at this. This is what's waiting. This is for your doggies if they come to the pool party. And look at this. This is a bone-shaped swimming pool. Look at that. Woo! And they will just have so much fun. Also, we're giving away free dog food as well. So come to our stall, find out how you can get a free bag of dog food, and walk away with a tidy dog after being in the pool all day, walking around everything, and having a bit of a paddle too. So I think Paige is the first dog in the pool. She's got it all to herself at the moment.
Just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
anything that moves, right? I agree with that. You can hunt, catch, kill and eat anything that moves. Interestingly, you can hunt, catch, kill and stuff that doesn't move too. Any kind of food is a reward, and prey drive makes a dog want a reward. It wants to hunt, catch, kill and eat. And that's why food is so often used in dog training. Food really will help you. It makes everything faster. But again, I'm a hardcore dog trainer, and at the moment, because of all of you, she's disengaged with me. And the plan is to try and get her to re-engage with me so that she ignores all of you and becomes neutral.